Hello, my beautiful glow babies! I'm so excited you're here with me today because we're about to embark on a colorful, creative adventure together. Today, we're diving into the magical world of eye makeup, a place where colors, textures, and imagination come together to help you express who you are. Eye makeup is pure art. Your face is the canvas and you're the artist. Every brushstroke, every dab of color is a chance to show off your unique style and personality. You can be soft, bold, or sparkly, whatever matches your mood. Maybe you want a gentle wash of pastel for a dreamy day, or a dramatic, glittery look for a night out with friends. It's not about hiding, it's about celebrating you. Makeup is a way to highlight your favorite features, boost your confidence, and let your inner light shine for the world to see. The first time you pick up an eyeliner, it can feel scary. Your hand might shake, and you might worry about making a mistake. But that's all part of the fun. Trust me, we've all been the panda. Smudges, wobbly lines, and little oops moments happen to everyone, even the pros. It's how you learn and grow. With a few simple steps and practice, you'll be creating stunning looks in no time. Start with the basics, experiment with colors, and soon you'll find your signature style. Think of your eyes as the windows to your soul. Makeup is the fabulous curtain. You get to decide when to go sheer and subtle, or when to pull out all the stops and go bold and bright. A little shimmer wakes you up. A sharp wing gives you confidence. It's transformative. The right look can make you feel powerful, playful, or ready to take on the world. Don't be afraid to try new things. Mix colors, layer textures, and play with shapes. Makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself, not following strict rules. Grab your brushes and let's get started. Step by step, no confusion, just fun. I'll guide you through each technique so you can feel confident and creative every time you pick up your palette. Ready to unlock the power of makeup? Let's get glam glow, babies. Your masterpiece awaits and I can't wait to see you shine. Before we dive into the world of eye makeup, let's take a moment to talk about the essentials you'll need. Having the right tools in your kit makes all the difference, and you don't need a huge collection to get started. In fact, a few well-chosen items can help you create endless looks, from simple and natural to bold and dramatic. You only need a few tools. Don't be overwhelmed by all the options out there. Just a handful of basics will set you up for success and make practicing fun, not stressful. First, grab a flat shader brush. This is your go-to for packing color onto your eyelids, whether you're using a shimmer or a matte shade. It helps you get that pop of pigment right where you want it, and it's perfect for building up intensity. Next, you'll want a fluffy blending brush. This brush is the secret to seamless, professional-looking eyeshadow. It softens harsh lines and helps you blend different shades together, so your eye makeup looks smooth and effortless. And don't forget a small pencil brush. This little tool is perfect for adding details. Think smudging color along your lower lash line, highlighting the inner corners, or defining your crease with precision. For eyeshadow, start with a neutral palette. Look for one with soft browns, beige, champagne, and a dark shade. These colors are super versatile and work for any occasion, whether you're going for a daytime look or something more dramatic at night. Neutrals are perfect for learning because they're easy to blend and flatter every skin tone. You can create endless combinations, from subtle washes of color to smoky eyes, all with just a few shades. Once you feel comfortable, you can experiment with bold colors. Think vibrant blues, greens, or purples. But for now, neutrals are your best friend. They'll help you master the basics and build your confidence. Now let's talk eyeliner. Pencil eyeliners are fantastic for beginners. They're easy to control, glide on smoothly, and are perfect for creating both soft, smoky looks and more defined lines. You can smudge them out for a gentle effect or keep them sharp for a classic style. There are other types of eyeliners too. Liquid liners give you a bold, graphic look, but they can be a bit tricky to master at first. Gel liners are creamy and forgiving, letting you create both sharp lines and smudged effects with ease. For today's look, stick with a black or brown pencil. These shades are classic, versatile, and work beautifully for any eye color or shape. Mascara is a must-have in every kit. Just a swipe or two instantly opens up your eyes, making them look bigger, brighter, and more awake. It's the finishing touch that pulls your whole look together. Apply a couple of coats to your top and bottom lashes for maximum impact. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes, even if you're wearing minimal makeup elsewhere. So to recap, Your magical starter kit includes just a few essentials: a flat shader brush, a fluffy blending brush, a small pencil brush, a neutral eyeshadow palette, a pencil eyeliner, and mascara. With these, you're ready to create endless eye looks. Remember, you don't need a huge collection to make magic happen. With just these basics, you can experiment, practice, and discover your own style. The real secret is having fun and letting your creativity shine. So let's get ready to play and unlock the magic of eye makeup together. Now let's prep our canvas. Clean lids are key. Start with an eyeshadow primer. Just a tiny dot spread from lash line to brow bone. Primer makes your eyeshadow vibrant and long-lasting. Set the primer with a skin tone shadow or translucent powder for a smooth surface. This prevents patchiness and helps blending. Without primer and powder, your eyeshadow will crease and fade. This step takes seconds, but makes your look last all day. Promise me, never skip primer. It's the foundation of a flawless eye look. Now our canvas is ready for color. Let's move on to the fun part. Time for the magic. Let's use that neutral palette. Whether you're a total beginner or just want to brush up on your skills, this is the perfect place to start. Neutral palettes are super versatile and forgiving, making them ideal for learning the basics. Plus, they work for every skin tone and every occasion, from a casual day out to a glam night in. We'll keep it simple, just 3 main shades: a transition shade, a lid shade, and a crease shade. These are the building blocks of almost any eyeshadow look, and once you master them, you can get creative and experiment with more colors and techniques. Start with a soft brown transition color. This shade should be just a bit darker than your natural skin tone, and it helps everything blend seamlessly. Use your fluffy brush and sweep it into your crease with windshield wiper motions. This technique diffuses the color and creates a smooth gradient, making your eyes look bigger and more defined. This step is key. It helps all the colors blend together so there are no harsh lines. Take your time blending, as this is what gives your eyeshadow that professional, airbrushed finish. Next, pick a shimmery or metallic shade for your lid. This is where you can add a pop of brightness or a touch of glam, depending on your mood. Pat it on with your flat brush for maximum impact. Pressing the color onto your lid rather than sweeping helps the shimmer really stand out and minimizes fallout. For extra pop, spray your brush with setting spray before picking up the shimmer. This intensifies the color and helps it last all day, so your look stays fresh from morning to night. Now add depth with a darker crease shade. Think chocolate brown or deep taupe. This step adds dimension and makes your eyes appear more sculpted. Use a smaller brush to focus this color on the outer corner in a V shape. This technique lifts the eye and gives your look a subtle, sultry edge. Blend it into the crease for definition. Remember, blending is your best friend. Soft edges are what make your eyeshadow look seamless and polished. This creates a professional sculpted look that flatters every eye shape. Don't be afraid to go back and add a little more color if you want extra drama. That's your basic eyeshadow map. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve stunning results. Practice makes perfect, so keep blending, experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with your makeup. Now let's blend. This is what takes your look from beginner to pro. Grab a clean, fluffy brush, no extra color. Start at the top edge of your transition shade and use light circular motions to soften the edge. The goal, no harsh lines, just a seamless fade. Blend where your dark crease color meets the transition shade using small circles or windshield wiper motions. If you lose intensity, add a bit more color and blend again. For the lid, soften the edge where shimmer meets the crease shade. Blending is all about patience and a light touch. Your eye makeup should look like a sunset, colors melting together. When in doubt, blend it out. This is the secret to a flawless, airbrushed finish. Keep practicing. Blending is everything. Let's move on to eyeliner. Eyeliner time. Don't stress, we'll keep it simple. Start with a pencil liner. It's forgiving and easy to fix. Try tight lining. Gently run the pencil along your upper waterline to make lashes look fuller. It's subtle, but makes a big difference. Want a baby wing? Look straight ahead. Imagine a line from your lower lash line to your brow. Draw a small dash at the outer corner, then connect it back to your lash line to make a tiny triangle. Fill it in, then draw a thin line along your upper lashes, connecting to the wing. Use short strokes for control. Thicken the line as you reach the outer corner. Don't worry about perfection, practice makes perfect. eyeliner gets easier every time. You've got this. Ready for mascara? Mascara is the finishing touch. Never skip it. If you have an eyelash curler, use it for extra lift. Place the curler at the base, squeeze gently, then move to the middle and tips. Take your mascara wand, wipe off excess and look down into a mirror. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes, then pull up through the tips. Repeat for even coverage. Don't forget your bottom lashes. Use the tip of the wand for precision. Let the first coat dry before adding more for drama. Instantly, your eyes look bigger and brighter. Mascara ties the whole look together. You're almost done. Just one more step. Let's put it all together. Let's create a classic everyday glam. Timeless and easy. Prep with primer and set with powder. Sweep a soft brown through your crease as a transition. Pat a shimmery champagne or gold on your lid. Add a touch of chocolate brown to the outer corner for dimension. Blend all edges for a seamless finish. Tightline your upper waterline with brown pencil for subtle definition. Add a thin line along your lashes if you like. Finish with mascara on top and bottom lashes. That's it. A beautiful classic eye look in minutes. You did it! Take a look. See how your eyes pop? Makeup is about fun, creativity, and practice. Your first try won't be perfect, and that's okay. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Steadier hands, smoother blending. Try new colors, experiment with shapes, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. There are no rules, just guidelines to help you start. As you grow, create your own style. Maybe bold liner or glitter lids. Wear what makes you feel confident and happy. This is your art, your canvas. Keep learning, keep playing, and enjoy the process. You have the power to create any look you dream of. I believe in you. Now go on and glow. You've got this.